Welcome to an exciting journey through the mysterious world of Uranus, the seventh planet from the Sun. In this video by Academic Block, we'll delve deep into the fascinating details of this ice giant planet, providing you with a wealth of Uranus information and facts that will leave you amazed. Planet Uranus is unlike any other planet in our solar system. Classified as an ice giant, it boasts a blend of both gas and ice in its composition, making it stand out among its planetary peers. Its iconic feature, the bluish-green hue of its atmosphere, is a result of its unique composition. Unlike other gas giants of the solar system, Uranus contains a significant amount of ice, including water, ammonia, and methane, beneath its outer layers. It also enjoys impressive size and mass. Uranus has an approximate equatorial diameter of about 50,724 kilometers, which is around 4 times wider than Earth. This makes it the third largest planet in our solar system. In addition, Uranus has an estimated mass of about 8.68 into 10 raised to 25 kilograms. It is roughly 14.5 times more massive than Earth. The surface acceleration due to gravity on Uranus is approximately 8.69 meters per second squared, which is roughly 0.886 times the gravity on Earth. Uranus is the seventh planet from the Sun in our solar system. The average distance between Uranus and the Sun, known as its semi-major axis, is approximately 2.87 billion kilometers, which is around 19.18 astronomical units. Due to its significant distance from the Sun and its relatively slow orbital motion, Uranus takes approximately 84 Earth years to complete one orbit around the Sun. However, Uranus rotates on its axis relatively quickly compared to its long orbital period around the Sun. It takes approximately 17 hours and 14 minutes for Uranus to complete one full rotation on its axis. This fast rotation contributes to the planet's unique and extreme weather patterns, as well as its unusual axial tilt, where its rotational axis is almost perpendicular to its orbit around the Sun. This also affects the temperature of the planet. The upper atmosphere of Uranus, composed mostly of hydrogen, helium, and a small amount of methane, experiences extremely cold temperatures. Temperatures in this region can drop to as low as -224 degrees Celsius. This frigid upper atmosphere is responsible for the planet's blue-green coloration, as it contains methane, which absorbs red light and reflects blue and green. Deeper within Uranus' atmosphere, specifically in the troposphere, temperatures are even colder. Near the top of the troposphere, temperatures can reach a minimum of around -224 degrees Celsius. Uranus also generates some of its own heat from its interior. This heat likely results from the slow gravitational contraction of the planet and from the decay of radioactive elements within its core. The exact temperature in Uranus' interior is not well known but is estimated to be much higher than the frigid surface temperatures. Beneath its outer layers, Uranus holds a complex interior. Its core, composed of rock and metal, is surrounded by layers of icy and rocky materials. The planet's magnetic field, however, is puzzling. Uranus' magnetic field is tilted at an angle relative to its axis of rotation, causing it to be asymmetrical. This offset nature of Uranus' magnetic field means that the planet's magnetic poles are not located at its center. Instead, they are located closer to its surface, which is quite different from the magnetic fields of other planets, where the magnetic poles are typically closer to the planet's core. This unique magnetic field suggests intricate interactions within the planet's interior. One of the captivating aspects of Uranus is its ring system. While not as pronounced as Saturn's famous rings, Uranus possesses a set of delicate and thin rings composed of dark, small particles, including dust-sized grains and larger boulder-sized debris. The exact composition of the rings is still a subject of study. These rings add to the planet's allure, creating a celestial spectacle when observed from afar. Uranus rings are named after characters from the works of William Shakespeare and Alexander Pope. The main rings are called Alpha, Beta, Gamma, Delta, and Epsilon. The two outermost rings of Uranus are called Eta and Nu. These rings are much fainter and more distant from the planet than the main rings. Accompanying Uranus in its orbit are also a collection of moons, each with its own story to tell. Some of the major moons include Titania, Oberon, Umbriel, Ariel, and Miranda. These moons are icy worlds with unique features, some displaying striking landscapes shaped by tectonic forces and geological processes. Because of these fascinating features, Uranus has always allured mankind's attention towards itself. With the advancements in the technologies, it's now possible for humans to attempt to unravel the mysteries of the Uranus. The fascination with the enigmatic ice giant, Uranus, has spurred several ambitious space missions led by various countries and space organizations. These missions have significantly expanded our understanding of this distant world and have provided unprecedented insights into its rings, moons, atmosphere, and magnetic field. Let's take a journey through some of the remarkable space missions to Uranus conducted by different nations and organizations. Voyager 2, United States. One of the earliest explorations of Uranus came from NASA's Voyager 2 spacecraft, part of the Voyager program aimed at studying the outer planets. In 1986, Voyager 2 conducted a historic flyby of Uranus, capturing close-up images and data that revolutionized our knowledge of the planet. The spacecraft revealed new information about Uranus' unique characteristics, such as its icy composition, thin rings, and unusual magnetic field. Uranus Pathfinder, European Space Agency. The European Space Agency, ESA, has been considering a mission called Uranus Pathfinder, aimed at sending an orbiter to study Uranus and its moons in detail. This mission aims to address the mysteries surrounding the ice giant's formation, composition, and atmospheric dynamics. Although the mission is still in the planning stages, it highlights the international interest in further unraveling Uranus' secrets. Ice Giant Mission, NASA and ESA collaboration. A joint mission between NASA and ESA, known as the Ice Giant Mission, has been proposed to explore both Uranus and Neptune. This ambitious undertaking envisions sending a spacecraft to study the ice giant's atmospheres, magnetic fields, and interiors. By combining the resources and expertise of two major space agencies, this collaboration seeks to provide a comprehensive understanding of these distant planets. Uranus, Russia. Russia has expressed interest in a potential mission to Uranus, known as Uranus, Outer Deep Investigation of Neptune, Uranus, and Saturn. This mission would focus on Uranus and Neptune, investigating their atmospheres, rings, and magnetic fields. While the mission is still in the conceptual phase, it underscores the global interest in advancing our knowledge of these lesser-explored planets. But by now, you know that every planet has another side as well, the mythological side. The captivating allure of the planet Uranus transcends scientific exploration, extending into the realms of mythology. In the mythologies of various cultures, Uranus has been associated with gods, celestial beings, and cosmic narratives that reflect human imagination in our quest to understand the cosmos. Greek mythology, Uranus the primordial sky. In ancient Greek mythology, Uranus was personified as the primordial deity of the sky, often referred to as Uranus. He was considered one of the first divine beings to emerge from chaos, the formless void that existed before the creation of the cosmos. Uranus was depicted as the dome of the sky that arched over the earth, serving as a canopy for the heavens. He was also a symbol of the generative and creative forces of the universe. Roman mythology, Salus, the divine sky. Roman mythology draws parallels with Greek mythology in its personification of celestial elements. Salus, also known as Coelus, was the Roman equivalent of Uranus, symbolizing the sky and heavens. Salus was often depicted as a divine figure encompassing the celestial expanse. Like Uranus, Salus had a prominent role in the cosmogony of the universe, giving birth to the Titans and other divine beings. Academic Block has thoroughly researched scientific literature that underpins this video. Its engaging content is designed to be both interesting and easy to understand, ensuring that readers of all backgrounds can grasp the wonders of Uranus. Please give your suggestions and comments below. This will help us in improving our future videos. Subscribe to your channel if you have not subscribed.